This video will show you how to factory reset your Windows 11 computer without needing to be logged into the account. This will erase all accounts, files, apps, and settings so you can start fresh. Let's begin. On the account login page, press on the power symbol on the bottom right corner. Now hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click on Restart. Continue to hold the Shift key until the Safe Mode boot screen loads. You can now release the Shift key. Press Troubleshoot, then press Reset this PC, and press Remove Everything. You'll be presented with two options, Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Cloud Download will download the latest version of Windows 11 and install that version, while Local Reinstall will reinstall the current version of Windows 11 that your computer is currently running. You can only do Cloud Download if you're connected to the internet. I'm going to do Local Reinstall. Now select Fully Clean the drive. This option takes longer, but will securely remove all of the data on the computer to make it virtually unrecoverable. If you're on a laptop, make sure it's plugged in. Now hit Reset. If you get this pop-up, just hit F9 to proceed. And that's it. You can now set up your computer. This whole process took a little over 50 minutes for me, but this will vary depending on the specs of your computer. Thanks for watching.